Welcome to this explainer. Raising a family in Montana is incredible. But let's be honest, navigating government programs can sometimes feel like wandering through a giant maze. But what if securing vital nutrition, groceries, and healthcare support for your kids was actually easier than you ever thought possible? Today, we are breaking down exactly how to apply for Montana WIC step by step.
Did you know that extra grocery money, personalized health support, and even breast pumps can literally be accessed right from your smartphone? No, seriously. If you're pregnant, postpartum, or have a kiddo under 5, this program is built specifically for you. Let's look at exactly how to get these benefits into your hands. So, here is our roadmap for today. 1. The power of Montana WIC. 2. Do you actually qualify? 3. Gathering your required documents. 4. Applying online and in person. 5. Overcoming common challenges. And 6. What happens after you apply?
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, the power of Montana WIC. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does WIC do? Well, it isn't just some generic assistance program. It is a highly targeted public health intervention. So yes, it provides healthy foods that are absolutely crucial for growth, but it's really a comprehensive support system. We're talking personalized nutrition education, dedicated breastfeeding support, including actual breast pumps, and key referrals to other community health resources. The whole shebang is tailored to keep your family healthy and ensure your kids are ready to learn.
Moving right along to Section 2, do you qualify for WIC?
A lot of people just assume they make too much money to qualify, right? But WIC is actively designed to help working families too. Basically, there are two main pathways. You can qualify through standard income guidelines, which are just based on your household size, or, and this is a real game changer, you might have automatic adjunctive eligibility. If you or your child already participate in Medicaid, SNAP, TANF, or the Best Beginnings Childcare Scholarship, guess what? You bypass the standard income screening completely. You are automatically in.
Let's dive into Section 3, gathering your required documents.
Okay, getting your paperwork together ahead of time is absolutely key to a stress-free process. You really only need 3 main things: ID for yourself and your kids, proof that you actually live in Montana, and current income documentation. Now remember what we just talked about? If you have that automatic adjunctive eligibility, you can totally skip the income proof. And here's a huge point. Montana WIC does not require proof of pregnancy. That removes a massive barrier for expecting moms who need early support.
But wait, what if you just moved, or you're in a transitional housing situation and literally don't have a standard ID or a current pay stub? Do not panic. WIC offers official workarounds, like the Montana WIC affidavit or the Zero Income Statement. The clinic staff will just use these forms to verify your situation so you can still get your benefits without any annoying delays.
Next up, Section 4, applying online and in person.
So, Montana has recently modernized its system, making it incredibly user-friendly. Gone are the days of sitting in a waiting room with a giant stack of papers. You can actually kick things off with a quick online pre-screening tool. From there, you can just call the state toll-free number to find a local clinic. Or, if you want the absolute most seamless experience, download the Healthy Together mobile app.
Setting up that Healthy Together app is a total breeze. Once you verify your phone number with a quick PIN, just scroll and select Montana WIC right from the available programs list. And boom, you are connected directly to the state's system.
And this dashboard is fantastic. From the main screen, you can submit a brand new application. But it doesn't stop there. Once you're approved, this exact app becomes your hub. It's where you'll get notifications, securely message your local clinic staff, and view your current food benefits and remaining balances. It literally puts the entire program right in your pocket.
When you hit apply, the app seamlessly guides you through a few basic questions. For example, it'll ask about your previous WIC history in Montana, just to make sure your records are mapped correctly. Oh, and a quick tip, it will ask for your full legal name. State policy actually prohibits nicknames here, so keep it official. Aside from that, it's a super straightforward wizard.
Okay, Section 5, overcoming common application challenges.
Look, we get it. Navigating government stuff can be intimidating. But Montana WIC has built-in support so that administrative hurdles don't stop food from reaching your family. If you're facing a language barrier, clinics use the Language Link interpretive service. If you're having trouble actually getting to a clinic, they provide transportation referrals, and they can even arrange alternate signature methods for your benefits. The staff are highly trained to help you succeed, whatever your situation is.
Finally, Section 6, what happens after applying?
So, your application is in. What happens next? Well, shortly after applying, you'll have a certification appointment where clinical staff will review your documents, do a quick nutritional risk assessment, and tailor a specific food package just for you. After that, you get your EWIC card. It works exactly like a debit card at the grocery store. And honestly, the best part? You can check your remaining balances in real time right on the app before you even walk into the supermarket.
All right, let's do a quick recap of your journey. 1. Check your eligibility. 2. Grab your ID, proof of residency, and income proof. 3. Download the Healthy Together app or give your clinic a call. 4. Attend your certification appointment. And 5. Use your shiny new EWIC card to shop for the healthy foods your family needs.
Before we wrap up this explainer, a quick reminder that government program details and income limits are subject to change, so always verify the latest info with your local Montana WIC office or their official website. But as you've seen, the system is modernized, the barriers are lowered, and the resources are just waiting for you. So the only question left is, when will you take that next step to claim the support your family truly deserves?